Hi there, students. Trappings. Okay, trappings are the things that are part and parcel or typical of somebody who has a particular job or a particular situation or a particular event. So the doctor had all the trappings: the white coat, the stethoscope round his neck, the face mask, maybe the rubber gloves as well. He had all the trappings of wealth. He had a chauffeur, a big car, bodyguards, a private jet, all the things like that. So these are the things that you typically associate with a situation. Yeah, the possessions or the symbols that are typical of a position. This party has all the trappings of a wild party. Yeah, it looks very good. There are lots of really interesting looking people. Okay, so trappings, the outward signs of something. He had all the trappings of a London stockbroker: the bowler hat, the umbrella, the suit, and the copy of the Times that he was reading on the train. So trappings, all the outward decoration of all the ornamental equipment. So, I don't know, if you go to see the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace, the guards will be wearing all their trappings, all their uniform, absolutely everything that's official. This event has all the trappings of an official function. Okay, so characteristic things, the symbolic signs of something. Yeah, he had all the visible trappings of success: an Armani suit, and a trophy wife. So yes, this country has all the trappings of democracy, the conventional characteristic signs, what you would expect to see. I was thinking about roast chicken and all the trappings. Normally in English we say all the trimmings, but you could use the word trappings as well. Everything that you would expect to go with roast chicken: roast potatoes, stuffing, gravy, and maybe vegetables or carrots or something like that. Yeah, so all the trappings of it. He had all the trappings of a university professor: the mortarboard on his head, the gown, and the ink on his fingers. The young man had all the trappings of a nerd, with the pens in his pocket and the short sleeve shirt and the glasses and the goofy look. Yes, on state occasions when the Queen opens Parliament or things like that, she is accompanied by all the trappings of royalty. Okay, so trappings, the things that are associated with someone, the equipment or the clothing that gives the appearance. So when he grew up, he shed all the trappings of youth. He got rid of them. He got rid of all the signs. Yeah, let's see, the trappings of a teenager's room: posters of pop groups on the wall. It's probably a mess. Computer or laptop on the table. Yeah, these are the trappings, the things that you normally associate with it. Okay, a trapping or trappings have another meaning, and this goes back more to the origin. A trapping is the ornamental covering for the harness of a horse. I don't know if you've ever seen these horse brasses in pubs, but it's like a shape made of brass with a design on it, and these would go on the harness, or the bit that goes over the face of a horse. And this, when it's full of decoration, are the trappings of the horse, or it's a trapping. Okay, so something with all the trappings. How formal is this word? I think I would probably only give it a 6 in formality. It's probably not very commonly used. It would make a great word in your essays. Trappings, accessories. So 6 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. And then the origin. This comes from the trapping of a horse, the harness, which in itself comes from maybe an Anglo-Norman or medieval Latin word, trappus, meaning cloth. Yeah, and that then goes back to Proto-Indo-European drab, a rag. Okay, so something and all the trappings, all the things you associate with it. Yeah, I guess I hope this video has all the trappings of one of my typical videos. Explanation of the meaning, various examples, more examples, talking about the formality, talking about the origin. I think those are the normal trappings of my videos. Oh yes, and also it should begin with "Hi there, students," and the normal spiel, the words spiel at the end. Okay, so trappings. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Trappings. Yeah, something with all the trappings.